Hello, everyone. Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ. Today I'm with this beautiful queen. This is Chidera. That girl that said, I don't know how to speak it. When she was asked to speak Igbo, you understand? So today she's going to tell us something. Sing 1, 2, 3 to 20 in Igbo. She's learning. I want you to listen to her. Chidera, over to you. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Chidera. I'm from River State.
Wonderful. She's from River State. Ndone River State. Now, sing that 1 to 3 in Igbo to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,